You see those movies, you'll see the generals, saying that, oh, my army, you are the tigers, and, you are going to fight, and we are going to ensure that by evening we are going to have breakfast there. And that is how the generals talk. And that is how generally the motivators are supposed to talk. You see, most of those motivators who are typically life coach, some of them are highly aggressive. Follow these three tips, and you will come to know what this, and follow my thing, and they do this, do that. That is positive Mangal. They are trying to bring that energy within you.
Hello and namaste, and thank you so much for visiting my channel. My name is Karthik Gaur, and please do subscribe and click the bell icon to ensure that whenever we upload a webinar or a video, you are the first ones to know. Thank you so much.
Mangal is the commander in chief, army chief. He is the one who is the general, and he's somebody who is owning that royal sign of Aries. Okay, and to that level, it's sort of a love-hate relationship that he has with the Surya, because the only person that can actually topple the king is the army chief. And we see it in Pakistan day in and day out, that the army chief is more important than the prime minister. Why? Because Pakistan is born with Aries Lagna, whereas India is born with Taurus Lagna. And that is the difference between 14th August and 15th August. So now I am giving you a knowledge which you can actually use even at a country level chart. And many of you might not be aware that even countries have chart, even organizations have chart. Like we have the swearing in chart of the Narendra Modi government, or a swearing in chart of Donald Trump or Barack Obama. From that we can actually make a lot of understanding of what's going to happen. I remember looking at the Narendra Modi's this second government, and I told very clearly that there will be huge financial challenges because Mercury is in Marana Karaka, and please change the Murata. But they didn't. But they wanted to have a Murata which was in the evening only. So they went ahead with the Murata. And what happened post that is that, frankly speaking, the challenge has been very much in this second government, especially the economic turmoil with the COVID situation, with the GDP, with a lot of other factors working, So that is a stress level. So what I mean to say, the same knowledge can be also used at multiple levels, even in a Muhurta chart, even in a country's chart, or even when you are planning to start something new and you want to make a Muhurta chart for that. So the positive side of Mangal is that it is a planet which can turn your setbacks to come back. Why? Because it is your tenacity, it is your ability to fight, and hence it becomes such an important planet, especially for entrepreneurs. Right? You can't have an entrepreneur with this drop of a hat who is going to start crying. Oh, I don't know, COVID is there, what am I going to do? Will I survive? How will I pay? If he's in panic situation, then the company falls immediately. It's like a general who is afraid and he can't hold the sword, and he himself is shaking his hand with the sword. Imagine what the army is going to feel. That my goodness, my general is not even, and hence the general is supposed to motivate that. You see those movies, you'll see the generals, saying that, oh, my army, you are the tigers, and, you are going to fight, and we are going to ensure that by evening we are going to have breakfast there. And that is how the generals talk. And that is how generally the motivators are supposed to talk. You see, most of those motivators who are typically life coach, some of them are highly aggressive. Follow these three tips, and you will come to know what this, and follow my thing, and they do this, do that. That is positive Mangal. They are trying to bring that energy within you. And that is one way of which they can become relevant. And that is their strategy. So their strategy of growth is Mangal. Somebody might have a strategy of Surya, somebody might have a strategy of Venus, depending on your own chart. So here I am trying to tell you that Mangal doesn't need to be a malefic. because the loka in which you stay is called Bhuloka, and the king of Bhuloka is Mangal. Hence, the country which has the largest land, the country which has the largest army is the king. Because it is the rule of Mangal, and it is Loka of Mangal. Okay, so this is how I want you to start thinking. Okay, it is very important. It tests your nerves and your ability to fight. Okay, because it is the Karaka for third house also. It is your entrepreneurial skills. You can be down, but you cannot be out. Is a classic thing which works for Mangal. Okay, it is also Bhumi Karaka and rules lands, army, engineering. All those things I want you to start writing. As I said, that make a note, make a nice sort of a fact book. By the end of this week, you should be able to write at least 4-5 pages on per planet. And it would be nice, interesting. It's again a learning curve, and the effort that you put in now is going to help you 5 years from now. But if your ego is going to say, hey, this is basics, what is there to write, then that ego is going to ensure that you're going to stay mediocre all your life. So if you want to go to the next level, then become a good Mercury, become a good student. Don't have that ego that this is basics or this is easy or this is what I know. No, please start writing and think about how much more you know. See, the process of writing is not about writing what you know, but once you start learning and writing, you end up learning such much more. And that is what happens to me while I am teaching. And hence they say that teaching is also learning. Because while I am making slide, I come to know, hey, can I put this topic inside? Hey, let me do something like this. Hey, let me put this picture. This will resonate a lot with the young kids. So what am I doing? I'm actually trying to learn as well along with you. Okay, so very important. Okay, so start doing that. It rules the Bhuloka, and it is your experience here. Frankly speaking, whenever I see a chart, the first planet that I see is Mangal, because it is your Bhuloka. If Mangal is strong, your experience with the Bhuloka is superb. There might be 50 things going wrong, but you will still come out of it because the Karaka of this Loka is strong. If moon is very strong, then he is the avatara of this yuga. Then you will come out of all the situation just by saying Shri Krishna Sharanam Mama or Hare Rama Krishna or the Mahamantra or Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Definitely you will be able to get out of the tough situation. Okay, so which requires this most? The courage factor. Frankly speaking, almost all professions, but more importantly also the film line, or shall we say the Hollywood, Bollywood people who are there in the domain of profession of Venus. Why? Because they have a very insecure profession, right? Even like I speak to a lot of stars, and their biggest insecurity is, will I be star after 2 years, after 5 years, or what will happen after my Friday release? Will people still recognize me? And to that level, stars who have this strong Mangal, they are very, very comfortable stars. They have no problem. They are happy with what they have got, and that insecurity doesn't creep in. But stars who have a malefic sort of a Mangal are people, who can actually have suicidal tendencies and might really get into depression. So what I mean to say is Mangal becomes such an important planet because it is going to help you to turn your setbacks to come back. It tells you that, hey, let us fight it out. Don't worry. You have your hands, you have your legs. You are going to ensure that, we are going to turn the tide around. And that is that ability of Mangal. Okay. It is also a very, very important planet in matters of death. Okay. And when I teach those things in detail, you'll understand what is the Yama Yoga and how does it happen. And a bit of it I've talked about in some other forums, but for sure we will be doing that in the near future. Okay, but to start off and to give you a sort of a understanding, uh, this would be a sort of a great sort of a starter. The Vishnu avatar is Narsimha. There are some typos around here, so please excuse me for that. But the Vishnu avatar is Narsimha. Okay, so you need to understand that the Narsimha avatar is associated with planet Mars. Okay, so whenever you are doing a Narsimha mantra, or when you are doing the remedies for Narsimha, then technically it is your Mangal which is being remedied. Okay, now there is also something called as the Mahavidyas, which probably we are not going to talk at this level, but every planet has a Mahavidya as well. Okay, and for example, Mangal, the Mahavidya is Baglamukhi. So depending on the avastha of Mars, we do the remedies associated with the Mahavidyas as well. Okay.
Namaste Jyotisha lovers. Thank you so much for viewing the video. Please do share so more and more thirsty souls can benefit from this free knowledge which is being shared. Also do subscribe, click the bell icon, and all the questions that you have, please mention in the comment section below. Thank you so much, and please keep supporting us.